Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to basically do one English practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking this video. That is about basically talking about a person you want to work with. So this is a very interesting topic, and that is basically a very good topic for speaking in this video. And there are a lot of things which I write down is why, what, when, how, where, which these all things does matter if you want to basically speak on the cue card where you don't know anything about the topic. So these are all the words which you can which can help you to basically build a solid content while speaking. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if you are new here, so you can basically subscribe to the channel because there are a lot of English video you will find out, and where I have just speak multiple cue cards and just trying to build a confidence where like a lot of people are lacking while expressing themselves in front of camera or people. So this is what I'm showing you, so you can subscribe to this channel. So if I talk about like cue cards, so let's jump into this video. So the person which I basically like about and his work is basically a Paul Tudor, who is very famous in trading business, and because of his work, basically I was very impressed because his equity curve are superior rather than like comparison to other investment firms. So his firms is very great comparison to by basically sustainable growth. So that is what more important, like there are a lot of trading firms which got a huge success in initially day of time, but they are not able to stick with them all the time period. So that is what his basically organization have done that. So because of that, I found very interesting to work with him because they know like what works in the market in the longer span of time. Basically a beginner don't know. So that is what I want to basically work with them. And basically I'm a person who is coming from the India, basically where that is very difficult for person to get a visa of USA. So it will be not possible, but in a dream it will be possible, right? Because your subconscious mind is always working, and it can basically uh, give a situation where you are working with them. So yeah, this is a person which I want to basically work with him, and there are a lot of sacrifices he have done basically, and there is lot of things in this competitive market people have to work basically, and finding out multiple sources where they can generate equity curve which give them growth. And basically his there are a lot of quote he have basically spoken out in the books as well, where like the one famous one is saving yourself first rather than your trade is most important. So there are a lot of quote he have done. Basically I have come out from the trading environment, so there is a lot of things which I have found out very interesting, which he have write it down in the books. So yeah, on this video I that is it. I think probably this would be my first video on like past couple of days. So yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm very confident about uploading videos day to day basis, because that is what I basically feel like I'm confident with. And there are a lot of other things which are important for me, but still I just want to upload videos which can help people surround myself, around my circle, right? So on this video, that is it. I hope you watch this video till the end. So bye bye, have a good day.